The process is when we come in, we start with excavation. Generally, there's going to be a slope or maybe there's going to be a pre-existing wall that's failed. And so we're going to start by coming in and we're going to dig out the soil that needs to be dug out. We need to create the toe in, as we call it. It's where you dig in below the surface of the ground so the bottom of the wall doesn't get exposed. We have to dig back far enough to allow for the wall and a drain rock system. And so depending on exactly how much needs to be dug out, we'll determine how much of that is needed. Next step is to build the wall itself. And usually simultaneously, we're installing a drain system behind it. Depending on the plans we're going by, we may have to use a compact backfill, which we're compacting in layers. And in some cases, we even have to add geogrid, which is recommended by a geotech engineer to help stabilize the slope behind the wall. So those are the main things we're looking at. After that, there's aesthetics. We might be finishing with some topsoil. We might finish with some gravel for parking or what have you. If you'd like to learn more about New Life Rockeries, please contact us and we'd be happy to provide a free consultation.